How to install around obstacles. When installing around an obstacle on your wall, such as a window, door, light switch, or plug, follow the basic installation instructions until you get to the first sheet that will interact with the obstacle. Hang it as you normally would from the top, making sure that the first 12 or so inches has been stuck to the wall. Then hang the sheet down over the window or door and carefully trim about 1 inch inside overlapping the obstacle. Scissors work best for this. Continue down the wall until you've reached the top of the obstacle. Carefully cut a slit to the top left corner and press the wallpaper into the top of the trim and the sides as the same as you would with the baseboards. Continue down the wall, and when you've reached the bottom of the window, cut another slit and run the wallpaper firmly to the trim. Once finished, trim the excess away and make sure to firmly squeegee around the obstacle to ensure good adhesion. For light switches or plugs, it's safest to turn off the breaker when you're going to be removing the cover plates. Once you have the wallpaper installed close to the top of the switch, you can feel with your hand where the outline of the box is. You'll mark this out with a pencil and make sure that your cover plate will cover the area that you've marked out. Carefully cut out the opening and continue with the installation process. Once finished, reinstall the switch plate and the breaker can be turned back on.